So an old customer of mine came in today saying his speakers was busted. So I said, okay, let me check. First of all, his radio was turned all the way to max. Next, the bass boost all the way up. Loudness all the way up, subwoofer level all the way up, and he didn't even have subs. So it doesn't matter if it's a radio or an amplifier, there's going to be a clean point, and then there also will be a distortion point. Now with your EQ set to flat, you can test your low level signal, which would be the RCA, and you'll find that you may be clean all the way to max or at least close to it. But when you're testing the high level signal, which would be the speaker outputs, you might not get all the way to 35 on your radio. You may get to 28, which is around about 3/4. Now you combine that with bass boost turned up, loudness turned up, and you're going to send a ton of distorted power to your speakers. It doesn't matter how much the speakers can actually handle, you will blow anything with distorted power. Now I could tell by his settings that he wants more bass, so I suggested that he should add an amp and sub to his sound system. Bass represents about 30% of your music, and even though some coaxial speakers have a frequency range from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, they weren't technically designed to play that low. By adding a sub, we can take some of that strain off the door speakers because we can set crossover points inside the radio to where the door speakers don't have to play that low. For example, we can turn on our high pass filter and low pass filter and set them both to 63 Hz and adjust the slope to where the door speakers play 63 Hz and up and the subs only play 63 Hz and down, giving you a good blend of the music.